having the ability to really connect with our patients and provide that personal touch, but at the same time provide a level of dentistry that's technologically advanced, but again, not losing sight of the personal touch is really important. I think that's what's helped our practice to really differentiate itself and to grow. For us, it just seemed like a natural progression. I grew up here, I started a practice here. My boys grew up in Wayland, and we had the opportunity to start a second location in Wayland and provide the same type of dentistry and services to our Wayland family, friends, and that community.
My dad grew up in Watertown, I live in Watertown, I grew up in Wayland. I want our patients to know that we're part of these communities that we work in, and we really want you to feel like we care about you.
Partial denture. Tell me a little bit about what life was like. What attracted me to dentistry was the ability to really change people's appearance and smile and help them to create a better appearance and smile, make them more confident. And that was one of the main reasons why I wanted to start D'Amico Dental Care.
I think what sets us apart is just the organization here. Everything is super organized. We always have ample time for deep cleanings.
From the day that you come in, and we're keeping tabs on you, not because it's our job, but it's because we care, right? The long-term effect is that if you come in regularly, you're going to have a healthy mouth, and that's the main goal.